Good morning. We have done 8.1. 8.2 is not in the syllabus according to current reduced syllabus. Now we are doing miscellaneous question. Miscellaneous exercise 8. Question number 2 is find the area between the curve y equal to x and y equal to x square. Y equal to x is what? It is a straight line passing through origin and making 45-degree angle because if we compare y equal to mx plus c, so you can see that here m is 1 means tan theta is 1 means theta equal to 45-degree. Okay, so we have to make the figure uh, y equal to x square is a x square along with x square positive y sign, so it is upward parabola whose vertex is O00, and y equal to x is a straight line making 45-degree angle with positive x-axis. You can write like this: x dash, y dash. Now make a line passing through origin making 45-degree angle, and we have to find this area bounded by line and parabola. Where two curves intersect, we draw perpendicular to x-axis. How will you get this bounded area? So area made by line is this triangle, or area made by parabola below this parabola on x-axis this blank part. So if we subtract area made by line minus area made by parabola, will get the area bounded by these two curves. And whenever you get this type of question bounded by two curves, ऊपर वाला minus नीचे वाला, remember that. So required area is line minus parabola, but limits are required. We need to find this intersecting point. How will you get intersecting point? For intersecting point, solving y equal to x square and y equal to x, that is x square equal to x square minus x equal to 0, x common, x minus 1 equal to 0, will get x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. When we'll put x equal to 0 here, y equal to 0, x equal to 1, y equal to 1. So intersecting points are 0 0 and 1 1. So 0 0 already we are getting, we can write 1 1. जैसे ही आप 1 लिखते हैं, it means coordinate of this point would be 1 0. So required area equal to line minus parabola. What are the limits? 0 to 1 dx. And what we can do is 0 to 1 from line. What is the value of y? It is y equal to x. So x, and from parabola y equal to x square, so x minus x square dx. Now we can integrate easily. X square by 2 minus x cube by 3, upper limit lower limit. So substitute upper limit in place of x, so 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, this is upper limit, and 0 minus 0, it is lower limit. So what we can do is take LCM 6, 3 minus 2, so 1 upon 6 square unit is the required area. So whenever you get two curves, take upper limit minus lower limit, ऊपर वाला minus नीचे वाला. Okay, now we do the next question. Question number 4. Sketch the graph of y equal to mod x plus 3. We all know that f of x equals to mod x. Its definition is, it is plus x when x is positive, it is minus x when x is negative, it is 0 when x equal to 0. We compare with 0 because along with x nothing is there, means we can understand it is 0. But for x plus 3, we take inside value is minus 3. So mod x plus 3 can be written as, it is x plus 3 when x is greater than minus 3. Andar wala equal to 0 means we'll compare with minus 3. It will be, it is plus x plus 3 when x is greater than minus 3. It is minus x plus 3 when x is less than minus 3. And it is 0 when x equal to minus 3. तो what we can do is we can make the table. ऐसे आप you can make the table x y equal to f of x. So you can take -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. 7 values are sufficient. You can make the table and plot the table. When x equal to 0, it is -3. When x equal to 1, 1 will take here. It will be 1 plus 3. It is 4. When x equal to 2, we have to take this because x equal to 2, it is greater than -3. We will take this. So 2 plus 3 is 5. When x equal to 3, it is 6. And for x less than -3, these all values are from -3, -2, -1, all are belongs to this one. So when x is equal to -2, so -2 plus 3 is +1. When x equal to -1, again -1 belongs to this. -1 plus 3 is 2. Now it is better to take 7 values. What we can do is x equal to -3, we have taken 3 values more than -3 and 3 values less than -3. So when x equal to -3, it is 0. When x equal to -2, -2 will come here. So -2 plus 3 is 1. When x equal to -1, it will be here. -1 plus 3, 2. When x equal to 0, it is 3. So -3 is 0. 0 के बाद 3 वैल्यू इस तरफ और 3 वैल्यूज इधर ले लीजिए. When x equal to -4, -4 belongs to this, less than -3. So -4 plus 3. -4 plus 3, it is -1. Outside is +1. When x equal to -5, so inside -5 plus 3, -5 plus 3 is 2. Outside -2, it is when x equal to -5 plus 3, it is -2 and minus plus 2. Similarly, this will be 3. So when you plot the points, this is 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. When x equal to -3, it is 0. This is the point A. When x equal to -2, it is +1, -2 plus 1. This is +1, +2, +3. So this is +1. B. This is A. This is B. When x equal to -1, it is +2. This is +2. C. When x equal to 0, it is +3. So this is D. So we can join like this. Same triangle will get this side. When x equal to -4, it is +1. -4 plus 1. Here E. This is A, B, C, D. This is E. Okay, E. When x equal to -5 plus 2, -5 plus 2 here. F. When x equal to -6 plus 3 here. So we'll get like this. And we can join here. So this is the required shaded region. We plot the mod x plus 3. We can write this is y equal to plus x plus 3 and this side y equal to this line minus x plus 3. And second part of this question is find the value of -6 plus 0. So we can find out. We can solve here. Y equal to this is I equal to -620 mod x plus 3. So -6 to -3 plus -3 to 0. -6 to -3, if we take any value, inside value will be negative. अगर आप -4 लेते तो -4 plus 1 negative रीजन में नेगेटिव साइन. So this is -x plus 3. And -3 से 0 के बीच की कोई भी वैल्यू आप लेंगे. As I told you in break journey property, we use this property. A to B f of x dx is A to C plus c to be f of x dx. So this is the property, break journey property. So here you have to take x plus 3 because inside value is positive. You can solve it easily. Minus x square by 3 plus 3x, limits are minus 6 to minus 3, and x square by 3 plus 3x, limits are minus 3 to 0. And when you will solve this, this is 9 by 2. First part will be 9. Our final answer will be 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2, that is 18 upon 2 square by 2. So this is the answer. Now enclose by parabola 4y equal to 3x square. X square के opposite plus y. So this is upward parabola. How will you draw upward parabola whose vertex is 0, 0? Okay. And 2y equal to 3x plus 12. आप इसको प्लॉट करने के लिए you can take that same 10th class method. Suppose we take x0. x0, 2y equal to 12. So y equal to 6. When y0, so minus 12 upon 3, minus 4. So A and B. 0, 6. 0, 6. Suppose this is 0, 6. A 0, 6. And minus 4, 0. Suppose this is minus 4, 0. So you will get this type of curve. You have to find this area bounded by, you have to find this area. Again, these intersecting points are required. How will you get intersecting points? P, Q, solving equation 1 and 2 for intersecting point, solving 1 and 2 means 4y equal to 3x square and 2y equal to 3x plus 12. If you are solving, you can write 2 into 2y equal to 3x square, and 2 in place of 2y you can write 3x plus 12 equal to 3x square. So this is 3x square, 6x plus 24, or 3x square minus 6x minus 24 equal to 0. So when you are solving, you will get value of x is plus 4 and minus 2. When x is plus 4, find out when x is 4, so this is what? 12, 12, 24 upon 2, 12. Y is 12. When x is minus 2, it is plus 3. So 4, 12 and minus 2, 3. This is 4, 12 and this is minus 2, 3. So you have to draw the perpendicular. This is PM. So the coordinate of this point would be minus 2, 0, and coordinate of this point would be 4, 0. So limits will be minus 2 to plus 4. ऊपर वाला minus नीचे वाला. So required area you can write line minus parabola, and limits would be minus 4 to plus minus 2 to plus 4, minus 2 to plus 4. So from line, what is the value of y? Y is 3x plus 12 upon 2, and from parabola, value of y is 3x square upon 4. You can integrate this. This is very easy for you, that after this you can do. You will get answer of this is 27 square unit. Try to solve it, and compulsory to write a square unit. This is easy. You can integrate and substitute the upper limit and lower limit. Thank you.